this is part 4, guys. This is Friday.
Yep. And I'm having a nosebleed.
It is September 19.
And I'm having a nosebleed.
At noon.
I'm having a nosebleed. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Wait, I'm going to get my tissue.
That's bad news.
When I went to the bathroom,
She will sleep today at my house.
yep. And when I went to the bathroom, it suddenly tried to get out. The nosebleed, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, never. There's one time that I got sick and then blood just keep coming there. And then
Oh my god. Look.
What happened?
That's a fly.
Okay. So I'm just waiting for now. Trust the process.
Remember 2024?
Yep,
I just video the goodbye kindergarten. And now at 2025 I videoed goodbye grade 1.
Yeah, so you're grade 2 and then goodbye grade 2. Hello grade 3. And I'm grade 3.
She's a grade 3.
You're grade 2 St. Elizabeth, right?
Yeah.
And I'm grade 3 St. Vincent.
Yeah. The section at my school is names.
The name of the section at St. Thomas.
Vincent is a name, and Elizabeth is a name, and John is a name. That's grade 1 St. John.
Yeah, I miss there.
Yeah.
So I always went there when no one's there. I always go there. I always sneak.
Look at this one, guys.
This mystery again. Can we say the brain rocks? Oh no, the video is ending. Okay, we're going to make a next video. No. It's ending. Bye.